Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you are watching Hybiztv News. Making a substantial allocation of rupees 362.15 crore for planning and implementation of a slew of projects in the tourism sector during 2022 to 23, the budget presented by the Finance Minister Shri K.N. Balagopal in the Kerala Assembly today will impact the great momentum to the post-pandemic travel and hospitality activities in the state. Tourism Minister Shri P.M. Mohamed Riyas said today. The budget has made substantial allocations to the development of the tourism sector to take up a slew of initiatives like tourism hubs and destination challenges. The amount earmarked in the budget this year for tourism is rupees 42 crores more than what was set apart last year, Shri Riyas said. The increased allocations will support the revival of the pandemic-battered tourism in the state. The entire spectrum of tourism enterprises, which provides jobs for thousands, will benefit from this budget, the minister said. The new projects on the anvil includes the launch of cruise tourism connecting Kovalam, Kollam, Kochi, Beypore, Mangalore and Goa, for which an initial allocation of rupees 5 crores has been made. A sum of rupees 15 crores has been set apart for transforming the Champions Boat League (CBL) into an Indian Premier League model. The budget has also earmarked rupees 20 crores for interest subvention for an ambitious project to avail rupees 1000 crores loan for the rejuvenation and development of the tourism sector. The scheme-wise allocation includes rupees 132.14 crores for the one panchayat-one destination initiative, rupees 81 crores for making strategies and promotional activities, rupees 29.30 crores for training activities in the tourism sector and 5 crores for the setting up caravan parks. Apart from putting the Caravan Tourism initiative firmly on track, the new projects to be implemented includes the development of 25 eco-friendly tourist hubs in 5 years, strengthening the pilgrim circuit and inclusion of marine travels in tourism plans. Thank you for watching Hybiztv News.